Most car batteries don't die because they're old. They die because of how we drive them every day. In Japan, a factory-installed battery can last 8, 10, even 12 years. In the US, the same type of battery often fails in 3, 5 years, sometimes less. Same brands, same chemistry, same modern cars. The difference isn't magic. It's not expensive tools or special equipment. It comes down to simple habits that most drivers overlook. In this video, you'll learn why modern batteries fail, what's secretly draining your battery right now, and the exact Japanese habits that can extend battery life for a decade or more. The modern battery myth. Many drivers believe modern cars kill batteries. The reasoning seems logical. Cars today have more electronics, computers, and sensors than ever. But here's the truth. Modern batteries are better than ever, with stronger plates, improved chemistry, and higher quality construction. The real problem isn't the battery itself. It's how we use it. Most people never give the battery a full recharge. Short trips, constant starts, and heavy accessory use quietly damage the battery over time. By the time the battery fails, it seems sudden, but it has been dying slowly for months, even years. Trick number 1. Treat your battery like a precision system, not a disposable part. Protect it as you would a sensitive piece of technology. Learn from Japan. In Japan, many cars keep the original battery for 8, 10 years. Taxi fleets routinely reach over 300,000 miles on a single battery without replacements, jump starts, or roadside failures. Meanwhile, in North America, battery failure is common, especially in winter. Jump starts are routine, and many drivers are caught off guard when a battery dies seemingly overnight. The difference is mindset. Japanese drivers treat batteries as systems that need care, not disposable items. They manage charge cycles without even thinking about it. It's built into their driving habits. Trick number 2. Combine errands into longer trips and avoid driving just for a few minutes. Longer, steady drives help the battery stay fully charged. The real killer, sulfation. Most people think batteries fail because they're old, cold weather hits them, or they're unlucky. Wrong. The primary culprit is sulfation. Every time you start your car, the battery discharges. A soft layer of lead sulfate forms on the plates. Normally, the alternator restores this energy. But if the battery never reaches a full charge, this layer hardens over time, becoming permanent. Once hardened, sulfation reduces battery capacity, cranking power, and overall lifespan, even if a quick voltage test shows the battery is fine. Trick number 3. Will make sure your battery reaches a near full charge at least once every week or two. Partial charging won't reverse sulfation. Short trips are silent damage. Cold starts use a large burst of energy. If your drive is only a few minutes, the alternator doesn't have enough time to fully recharge the battery. Doing this daily leaves the battery in a permanently undercharged state, which slowly destroys it. Over time, the battery cannot provide enough power to start the car reliably, and failure appears sudden. Japanese drivers avoid this by minimizing short trips and intentionally taking longer drives. This habit naturally restores battery health without thinking about it as maintenance. Trick number 4. Schedule at least one continuous 30, 45-minute drive per week. Steady roads or highways work best. Alternators don't solve everything. Many drivers assume the alternator fully charges the battery while driving. This is only partially true. Modern alternators are computer-controlled to save fuel. If the battery voltage is good enough, charging slows down. This means the battery may never reach full charge. Sulfation builds and failure becomes sudden. Trick number 5. Don't rely on the alternator alone. You need intentional full recharge drives to maintain battery health. Start-stop cars need extra care. Cars with automatic start-stop systems put extra stress on batteries. Every time the engine shuts off and restarts, the battery experiences a discharge and requires a rapid recharge. Without intentional full recharge cycles, batteries degrade faster, even high-quality AGM batteries. Trick number 6. Full recharge drives are essential for start-stop vehicles to prevent rapid battery wear. Driving is not the same as charging. Many drivers assume any driving will recharge the battery. That's a mistake. Short trips with air conditioning, heated seats, phone charging, or other accessories often drain more energy than they restore. Trick number 7. Count only long, uninterrupted drives where the battery can fully recharge. This is the true measure of battery maintenance. Idling doesn't help. Living to charge the battery is a common but ineffective habit. Modern alternators produce very little charging current at idle, and accessories can actually drain power faster than the alternator can restore it. Trick number 8. Avoid idling. A steady, continuous drive is far more effective for battery health The full recharge method. Here sits the step-by-step method Japanese drivers and mechanics follow to keep batteries healthy. Continuous drive 30-45 minutes without long stops. Highways or steady-speed roads are ideal. Alternators charge most efficiently at steady RPM and moderate load. Minimal electrical load. Turn off seat heaters, reduce air conditioning, and avoid charging multiple devices. Let the alternator focus on the battery. Let it rest. After driving, park the car and don't restart for short errands. This locks in the charge. Frequency. Daily short trip drivers once per week. Cars that sit often every 5-7 days. Trick number 9. Follow this routine consistently to prevent sulfation from hardening. Accessory drain awareness. Modern cars continue drawing power even when off. Examples include keyless entry systems, security modules, infotainment memory, cellular telematics, dash cams. In U.S. cars, parked vehicles can lose 1-3% charge per day. 10 days parked equals 10-30% battery loss. One short drive won't restore it. Japanese cars have fewer high-drain electronics, and they compensate with intentional recharge drives. Trick number 10. Be aware of accessory drain and combine errands into longer drives to keep the battery healthy. Stop topping off with short drives. Many drivers think their battery topped off after a quick drive. It didn't. 8 minutes of stop-and-go traffic with air conditioning and devices running is not charging, it's slow depletion. Trick number 11. Focus on full recharge cycles, not just miles or minutes driven. Avoid jump starts. Jump starting a battery is stressful. It causes rapid current spikes, uneven plate recovery, localized heating, accelerated sulfation. Even one jump start can shorten battery life by months. Japanese drivers prevent this by proactively recharging and monitoring battery health. Trick number 12. Recharge properly to avoid jump starts and prolong battery life. Purposeful backup drives. If your car hasn't had a long drive in a week, take a deliberate 30-45 minute drive. This prevents sulfation and keeps the battery healthy. Trick number 13. Prevention is always better than reaction. Battery age ROR, battery health. A 7-year-old battery that's been fully recharged weekly will outperform a 2-year-old battery abused by short trips. Trick number 14. Focus on charge history, not battery age. Don'ts do list for long life. Avoid these habits. Sitting with engine off but electronics on, idling with AC or devices running, short trips without a weekly long drive, ignoring slow cranks or warning signs, leaving dash cams or devices running 24/7, relying solely on the alternator. Trick number 15. These habits silently destroy batteries over time. Chargers are a last resort. Chargers should only be used for seasonal storage. Deeply discharged batteries. Daily reliance treats the symptom, not the cause. Driving correctly is better. Trick number 16. Use chargers sparingly. Expected lifespan with proper habits. Standard lead acid 7-9 years. AGM batteries 8-12 years. Start-stop AGM 6-9 years. Compare that to US averages 3-5 years. Same chemistry, different habits. Trick number 17. Following proper habits dramatically extends battery life. Mindset shift. Most drivers accept battery failure as inevitable. Japanese drivers treat batteries as sensitive chemical systems worth protecting. Trick number 18. Respect your battery, recharge fully, and protect it like a precision component. Final challenge. Have you fully recharged your battery this week, or just driven short trips? Comment your car's age, battery age, and driving style. You might be surprised at what you discover. Use drains it. Recharge preserves it. Follow these tricks, and your battery could easily outlast your car.